Alright guys, good morning everybody. I'm going to do the quick recap for the day's trades that we did today. It was a really good day thanks to Apple round trip going up and down, and a really nice trade on Tesla. Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel. So let's watch that. So I'm back after my travel for 2 weeks, and we are having I had a really bad first week when I was in Vietnam, and then after that it was a pretty good week. I missed a few days, but overall it was a really nice second week. So Apple today was gapping down, and let's see exactly what happened. So I think there was some sort of news about the iPhone sales or something that there was some news. I'm not sure exactly what was it, and then really gapping down about 1%. A few minutes before the open, sold off. And what I tried to trade it short in the first minute, and it was a big mistake by really trading it right in the first minute. I usually wait for the 1 minute candlestick closes, but I went short as some sort of a rising devil that Brian trades that, because it was selling off in the last few minutes before the market opened. So I shorted, but that was a mistake. It really came back up above and turned out to be a very nice 1 minute open range rec up. So I got to stop out and flip my position completely on that. So I went long, popped up very nice, strong, heavy. As soon as came above this moving averages, I added more, pop up all the way up, sold off through this moving average, and this level of 178.13 that we had, so I sold off more. Pulled back again, a very nice bullish candlestick short up. I added again more on that and see potentially if you can break the 178.50. Came down and I got stopped out. So again, two trades on it. The first one was I got stopped out, and then I flipped my position to the long, popped up, added more, and then scalped it all the way for the break of high of the day, and also the break of pre-market high as well. Then it came down again. This candlestick was very big. I added more, and I was hoping to break out. It didn't. I got stopped out, and that's how I usually trade that. When it starts partialing out, you bring your stop loss at the break even, and that was exactly around my break even. So that was, as you see here, the risk to 2-to-1 risk to reward kind of thing. So I got stopped out first on the short, and then I made really good money on the Apple at the open and on the long side. And then we'll talk about Tesla now. Let's see how the Tesla traded. Tesla was a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup. Very nice trade, opening range breakup. Again, at the open, it really squeezed up. I kind of missed trading it here, for 1 minute opening range breakup, and it ran to green. After this heavy move, I added long on it at 252, went all the way up to 254. On this pullback, when it came back up, I added long to see if it can potentially go back up for the high of the day. It didn't. I got stopped out of the break even, which was okay. That's you want to do that. Sold off and came back up again, and overall market is very strong today. So you see the SPY moved, the SPY sold off, and then suddenly huge squeeze, and a lot of people took that trade. This rally at the open. TQQ was one of the best ones that we discussed in the chat. With Amazon and all these tech companies are really moving up, so that would have been a really nice move from 37.80 all the way up to 38.45. Overall turned out to be good. So I sold all of my SPXL. I'm now only GFQ. I'm sitting on GFQ to see what the market is doing in the next couple of weeks. And in terms of trading, let me show a couple of trades that our other community members did. Paris did a very nice short on Apple. So again, this was a big move up that I did. So I went long here. I got stopped. I went long. This double top, Paris shorted that at 177.80, and covered through the drop. Another really good trade that in the community did was Avi. Avi had this really planned, so I'm going to actually show you only this part. So Avi did a really nice trade, exactly what I did on the Tesla. So that was a trade when I went long. Avi traded 255 calls, bought $7, popped up to 824. That was a really nice trade. So essentially what you can do is you can exactly the same trade that I did. If you have enough time, you can trade it with the options. And if you look at the price action, it's with the 1 minute chart here. Our video editor gets that here, exactly this move, 255 called, which is right around here. It's a little bit out of the money. It gives you a massive move that you had. So that's essentially the trade that Avi did, and if you come how much his P&L was, $4,100. So that was a really, really nice trade that he did. So excellent trading by Avi. So overall, it turned out to be a very nice trading day. I mean, overall market was kind of flat at the open, but now IWM is up, leading the charge 2%, and the market really had a massive, nice move up. The SPY is up 1.1%, the Dow Jones up 1.2%. Obviously, JPQ is up, and JP is probably the other thing that is up. Yeah, it's very nice up, very, very nice up, up over 1%. So overall, it seems that market, the inflation that came hotter than expected didn't really do much. Market, continues to have this strong move up. We'll see how it goes. Tonight, guys, we have the onboarding class for our traders that are new. And tomorrow we're going to have a presentation. I'm going to have a presentation about the trading options. One thing that I want to mention is that we started a Pick Capital funded account, and it's been really amazing. So with a $50,000 funded account, we already have 6 traders that make really, really good money from that funded account. So if you are interested for the next one in January, so we give you a $50,000 account and up to $10,000 profit, plus all the mentorships and everything that we are offering. So they're amazing, the traders that we got. So really, we're gonna give the money to them at the end of the boot camp. So it's amazing to bring that element of psychology for Pick Capital traders. So come here to Pick Capital if you want to apply now. We already have full for January. So again, the cost is $3,000, but we're gonna give you a $50,000 account. You can take up to $10,000 profit out of it, maximum loss of $3,000. And if you hit max loss, you're still gonna get all the mentorship and program going through it completely. So thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you guys in the chat room, guys. Ciao.